Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to teach you how to play Aviator game using ChatGPT. Our first step will be opening ChatGPT on your browser by typing chat-gpt.com on URL bar. Once the ChatGPT is opened, our objective from it is to get a Python code that gives a multiplier value between a certain range along with a bet amount between a certain range. The ranges will be set accordingly to the risk you want to take. The prompt that we have to write is, give me a Python code that chooses multiplier value between 1 and 15. Then the prompt goes like, and it also chooses a number between 1 and 10. Then it will provide you the code. Now you have to open another tab in your browser and type Pinitive, and you will see a website with domain pinitive.com, and you will also see the online Python code editor of Pinitive there. After clicking Online Python Code Editor of Pinitive, you have to paste the code you acquired from ChatGPT there and hit Run. In the output, it will provide you a multiplier amount and a bet number. Now we are using these numbers to play Aviator. On another tab, you have to open Aviator game, and since our bet number provided by Pinitive is 8, we will put that amount into play. Note that this is our demo account. Just to teach you, no real money is being put right now. Now we will cash out at the multiplier number the code has provided, and then we can see it stopped at X. If you want to play one more time to check, you can again go to Pinitive and run the code again. It will give you another bet number and multiplier. Put that bet number money again on Aviator game and let's see where it goes now. We can see it is stopped now at X. Even though ChatGPT prompts has shown little efficiency while playing Aviator game, you should know that things might not be 100% working in your case. So keep your expectations clear. Repeat the process of running code on Pinitive and putting bet on Aviator to play more times. Thanks for watching our video. Subscribe to our channel, and if you have any queries regarding this, please let us know in the comments section. We will try to answer them.